Hi everyone, so this is part 3 of my blizzard videos, and it's the morning after. It's about 11:30 in the morning, and I'm going outside to see what the final verdict is of how much snow we've gotten. And now that it's daylight out, I can actually take you guys on a tour and see how much snow we've gotten throughout the backyard. So I'm going to open the door. And let's see if I can get out. Oh, apparently we have a lot of snow. We are kind of snowed in, per se. Let's see. Oh, I can't even get out. Ow. Ooh, I am up to my above my knees. Plow hasn't come, so cars are completely covered. Ow, I can't even walk. This is so deep. Oh. So, I'll take you, this is where I was last night, the back of the house. And let's see how much snow we've gotten. Looks like we have 25 inches of snow. So that's a lot, just a little over 2 feet. And last time I took the video at 11:30, we had 13 inches. So that's a whole another foot that we got. Oh man, see what it says over here. Yeah, another 25. Gonna close the door here now that I'm on the outside. And as you can see, I am like literally up to my knees in snow. It is really hard to walk in this. Oh boy. See our front walkway, and it's all the way up to the posts here. I'm gonna go into the front porch here. Oh, it's even deeper over here. Oh, let's see how much this is. Yeah, it's 29 inches over here. I don't know if I can make it through this. Whew. It's all the way up to my thighs over here. Oh, there we go. Alright, now that I am sufficiently covered in snow, I think I'm going onto the front porch. Even the front porch has snow on it, even though it's screened in. So, I think that's going to be that. Thanks for sticking with me, guys. Bye.